Alright. So, although they didn't give us all the electronics, aside from the gyro, which I won't even need, or don't plan to use, at least they gave you all the tools to put this together. And so far, actually, I didn't even need a Phillips screwdriver, which is nice, because sometimes Phillips screws strip. They definitely strip more easily than this kind of setup. So, I'm glad. Alright, so this, I'm guessing, is going to be for the little one. And it wants us to turn this thing away from it like this, so that the little line that's going through there is looking further away from us. And then we should be able to just snap this in, or I'll get a pair of something to push it in. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.